So welcome guys everyone. So I just want to talk about what is going on in Web3, and that is about PocketFi Switch token. So we all started mining PocketFi as of last year 2024, and this token it came great when they first started mining. Along the way they started getting a lot of users and a lot of things started changing. And let's even go to the app. When I first started, I don't even know that it's going to be like we should pay money. So I'm going to open this thing right here. I'm going to open it. A lot of things have changed. Even the last time that I came here, I don't even see my token again. Everything has changed. So you can see how everything has been changing. You can see I think they are even burned my token, and they got listed this week. Yeah, from 45 million market cap to 22 million market cap. So that means that maybe some people, or let me say even from the team, like they rug pull the token from 44 million market cap to 22 market cap. So as you can see, and people have not even started claiming yet. People has not started claiming any token yet. So as you can see a lot of things have changed. I don't even see my token. I can't even remember where my token is again. I don't even remember if I have any token here. Don't even know. As you can see, so this tell us that they have burned my token. So when they bring out the uh identity proof, or maybe POF, something like that, prove identity, like people should be paying ton for them to get proof of identity, something like that. I don't have money then, and I didn't pay any. So that means that they burned all my token that I should be able to claim. I think I've mined above 6,000 switch then. So after that I give up because a lot of people have started mining then, and one of the thing is that they will start upgrading it, the fees, like that's what I thought then. So if you go to my X now, so if you see something that's on my screen, you are going to see, so this is someone that said switch moved from 45 million market cap to 22 million market cap. The community have not claimed their tokens, so you sold. That means that the developers of switch sold all these tokens, and the person now move forward and even say, I don't think anything good will ever come out from Telegram mini app again. I think so. So that you can see a lot of people have even lost interest in anything Telegram mini app. A lot of people have forgotten it. People are not even going there anymore. So a lot of people don't have any business with Telegram. A lot of people have even uninstalled the app since the time of hamster combat. Some people uninstalled the app since the time of tap swap, because those two incidents have great impact on Telegram airdrop. It really affected Telegram airdrop in terms of monthly users. So it's drastically dropped after the first hamster combat listed, and after tap swap a lot of people have lost interest in it. Likewise me, I lost interest. I don't even know what I want to do with Telegram app again, and the other token that I've been mining so far, I've abandoned it. You can see if you come here, you are going to see all these comments. So nobody have ever claimed from PocketFi Telegram mini app. So who now sold from 0.07 to 0.002? So who sold? The developer of this token. I'm going to say they are the one behind this. They are the one. So if you are mining this token, just like should not even wait for it to say it's going to, just sold it first. If maybe if you now love it, you can buy back at a low price and later sell it as a low price, or if you want to keep it, you can still buy as low, and like that I think it's still going to benefit you. Maybe if you believe in the project in the long run, for the long run it's still going to benefit like that. And if you are mining PocketFi, be careful guys, be careful, so that
You won't even find yourself blaming yourself. Maybe the money that you spent, you didn't even see it back at the end of the day. It's not going to be easy like that. And once you claim, make sure that you sell instantly. You sell all your token once you are able to claim, and just sell it and forget about all this token. It's not really worth it. It's not really worth it. More than a year now. This token started during the time of TapSwap, also Hamster Combat, Milify. So they all started at the same time together, because when we even first started, the mining rate was so slow. Then it was too slow, so we just have to not just to give up. Then before they introduce paying maybe 1 ton or 0.5 ton, and the worst airdrop is just W coin. I just hate it. I don't even like it. I just hate it. So if you are mining this coin, once they are available, the claiming button or to claim your token is available, just make sure that you claim and just sell it. Just forget about this fish token. They are not serious. The dev is there to make profits and not for the community and the exchange that they want to list it on. So that's what I'm just going to say. So this is just what I'm going to tell you about PocketFi. We are even show you a lot of things on the mini Telegram mini app, but my network is so slow and not that strong to load it. So guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. And if you're really enjoying this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, like this video and share, and also subscribe. If you're enjoying my crypto news, make sure that you subscribe. I'm going to see you in my next video, guys.